Vitex nigundo, it is belongs to Verbenaceae family. It is also called the wobbly. The plant is Ayurvedic medicine plant, traditional medicine plant, pharmaceutical plant, nutraceutical plant, and many values in this plant of Vitex nigundo. The plant is one of the popular quotation of the Bengal region, especially the western Himalayan region of India, which translate a man cannot die of the disease in on a area where Vitex nigundo, Addathada vasica, and Acarus calamus are found. The plant hold great promises as a commonly available medicinal plants, and it is needed and surprised that the plant referred to the Indian traditional circle as a Sarva Roga Nivarni, the remedy for all the diseases. So Vitex nigundo belongs to Verbenaceae family member. It is distributed all over the world, but it cultivation can develop 20 feet tall. Nigundo occur in tropical to subtropical region and growing geographically in the western land, and it is also widely used in the hedge plant. So this species is globally distributed in the Indo-Malaysian and cultivation in America, Europe, Asia, and West India. Within India, it is found throughout the great parts of India. It is located at altitude 1500 meters of the outer side of the Himalayas. It is abundant open western wetlands and locally distribution throughout the states Maharashtra along with the Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu. So it is cultivated widely edged plant in the between the field and usually not grows by the cutting. So the plant pharmacognosy and many different uses. So the medicinal importance of this plant, it is very important for the treatment of rheumatoid arthritis and pain relieving purpose. So the leaves are very useful for the use of the removing of the white discharge of the women's and ulcer clearance, and extract of the leaves showing a potential bactericide and anti-tumor activities and anti-parasitic and alternative aromatic vermifugal and pain relieving. The leaves are used in insect repellents. The extract of leaves has a incidental activity. The fresh leaves are used for the fumigates. So the traditional medicinal plant of this plant is as a Ayurvedic medicine plant. It is used in Ayurveda, Arabian, Unani, and Latin America. Popular continue to the traditional medicine result the historical circumstance and cultural, and it is a traditional medicine plant. So the plant have many medicinal values, and it is anti-inflammatory activity, potentially anti-pyretic activity, and also it is a central nervous difference activity, also showing potentially it is controlling anti-edema, and so it is also use many different uses. Enzyme inhibit root extract of the Vitex nigundo showing inhibit the activity of against enzymes such as the alpha lipase, means it is controlling of the diabetic, and also it is use lipase in the synthesis. So potentially antioxidants activity, it affects the reproduction, potentially histopharmacological activity. It is also used the immunomodulatory activity, drug potential ability. So it is a hepatoprotective activity, means we can protect the central nervous system, and hemolysis, it is protections. So it is very important medicine plants. The plant containing many phytochemicals constitutions like beta cystosterol oleonic acid, nigundin acid, nigundi, Vitex vitidone B, vitidone A, and also showing a potential isovitexin, nigundin A, nigundin B compounds, terpenols also presented, terpenic acids, and citrin, beta selenin acid presents. So it is very different while medicinal plants. So it is showing many pharmaceutical activities and nutraceutical values. So we have need more research in these plants, especially the beta cystole is like a steroidal effect to control the pain relieving in the because of controlling central nervous system. So it is very important, and it is stimulate the to produce of the cortex in the joints. So it is very important for the stimulations, and especially it is very important reproduction of the cartilage in joints. So it is showing very important in antiviral activities, especially it is also used in HIV purpose. We have need more research in this area of antiviral